English alphabet, capital letter. Green color, A for alligator, alligator. B for bear, bear. C for cat, cat. D for dog, dog. E for elephant, elephant. F for frog, frog. G for goat, goat. Red color, H for horse, horse. I for iguana, K for joker, K for kangaroo, kangaroo. L for lion, lion. M for monkey, monkey. Monkey. N for nurse, nurse. O for ostrich, ostrich. P for parrot, parrot. Q for quail, quail. R for rabbit, rabbit. S for swan, swan. T for tiger, tiger. U for unicorn, unicorn. V for vulture, vulture. W for wolf, wolf. X for xylophone, xylophone. Y for yak, yak. Z for zebra, Z for zebra. Now English counting numbers 1, 2, 3. Green color 1, 1. Red color 2, 2. Yellow color 3, 3. Orange color 4, 4. Black color 5, 5. Green color 6, 6. Red color 7. Yellow color 8. Orange color 9. Black color 10. 1, 0. 10. 11. 1, 1. 12. 1, 2. 12. 13. 1, 3. 13. 14. 1, 4. 14. 14. 15. 1, 5. 15. Okay, cat, bye.